So if your house has some unmanageable repairs or some deferred maintenance that you just simply don't want to get to or can't get to for any reason, whether it's your health, your physical ability, your financial position, whatever the case might be, and you have some equity in that house, that's a great time to reach out to a house buying company because we don't care if the house needs a bunch of repairs. I always like to tell people you can leave the dirty dishes in the sink for us if you want to. So if you have a house that has a bunch of repairs or deferred maintenance and you can't get to it, and you want to maybe move into another house that doesn't have that level of repairs but is maybe a little bit newer, has some nicer finishes, some updated features, and that's a great time to sell your house to a house buying company, because if you do have a bunch of deferred maintenance, it's going to be tricky to sell that property on the market in the traditional method, because any bank that's going to lend on that property, which is what almost every retail buyer is going to want to do on the market, they're going to want you to fix that stuff. And if you don't have the capability to do it, it's going to be on the buyer, which they're probably also not going to be able to do it. So if you have a bunch of deferred maintenance, reach out to a company like ours so that we can help you with that.